Right, so this is the Roland Juno-106, and if you were anywhere near a UK club between the mid-80s and the late 90s, you've heard this synth. Released in February 1984, this 6-voice analog polysynth was Roland's first MIDI-equipped Juno, and it changed everything. We're sampling this beauty for Producer Stack because these warm analog textures, that chorus thickness, you just can't get it from a plugin, not properly. Now here's the thing about the Juno-106 in electronic music, it's everywhere. Literally everywhere. By 1986 it was reportedly used on 40% of US Billboard #1 singles. That warm bass, those creamy pads, that's Juno. Artists like William Orbit used it on practically everything, especially for those gorgeous atonal filter sweeps. Vince Clarke, Caribou, Daft Punk, Calvin Harris, they all reached for the 106. Chorus 1 and Chorus 2. They fatten a single oscillator into this massive wide sound, perfect for those big sweeping house pads. The sub-oscillator gives you those deep, pure bass sounds, almost sine wave clean. That's what made it essential for the low end in house tracks. By the 90s, the Juno was widely considered a key sound of UK dance music. It was the go-to. They go for anywhere between £800 and £1,500 if the voice chips haven't failed. And those voice chips, notorious for degrading over time, it's a proper gamble buying one, but the sound, that analog character, that chorus, those bass tones, they're part of electronic music heritage. That's exactly why we're capturing these sounds for Producer Stack. Every nuance, every sweet spot, every characteristic that made this synth legendary. Proper analog warmth, ready for your productions, no voice chip failures, no Red Goo Syndrome, just pure Juno magic. Check it out on producerstack.com.